So guys, this is body identification. Josephine's family. We are at City Mortuary. So the family of Josephine wameenda to identify the body of their loved ones. Yeah. So they are accompanied by the officers from the DCI. So wameenda to identify the body. So they will identify the body. Alafu shall inform you. Huko tuko City Mortuary na watu ni wengi zaidi. Families are very many wenye wamekuja ku identify mili zenye zimetoka kule Mukuru kwa Jenga Kware. So these are family members.